like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys, Happy New Year. I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And today I have eBay mystery box. Now these mystery boxes, when I went to go get it, it was on sale. I put it in my cart. You know how then they say, you know, he'll give you an offer. Well, they made the offer and it was like, normally it was like $35 and he brought it down to like $18.75 or something. So then I went back and I said, oh my. So I bought a couple of them. But we're going to do this one, and it says on there $75 value, I believe that is what he says. Some of them don't tell you the value. So, but I believe this one did, and I think they said $75 value. So we'll see. And we'll just see how this goes. But I figured if I do these, they're not so time sensitive. You know, where I've been sick so much and they say it's going to be a long healing process until I'm completely over it. So I thought, well, I better come up with a plan. First thing I'm getting out is, it's called Style. Age range 6 to 20 years old. This is what it looks like. Let me grab my, of course Okie had them. What are they doing? I'll be right back. Gotta go get scissors. Okay. Of course, the neighborman's gonna mow now. I swear. I have no idea what this is. And it's bubble wrap to the heel. Okay. Oh! I see. I guess it would be a dinosaur egg. Let's see what it is inside. Oh! And inside, I guess would be his bones. Anyway, it's cute. It's cute, I guess. You could probably get $5 out of it. I don't know why they went through all this to wrap it, but silly me, huh? But that's that. Oh, and here's the nails of the day. I did put my nails on like a big girl. Okay, there's quite a bit in this box, actually. And here's your Christmas decoration. It says, let it snow. And this is Bazooka Joe and the White Lion. So we'll put that in the price pile. And then, let's see what's in this pretty pink. Pink. I see it is... Well, let's just see what's in here. Oh, it's one of those, you know, you use for your face. And it's in rose gold, which is supposed to be, or not rose gold, rose quartz, which is supposed to be healing. This is Jimmy Jen's confetti. I don't know what it says on it, but I know if I open it up, it's going everywhere. There's confetti. And there's all kinds of little sticker things in there, too. I have to look at it and see what it is before I can decide. Okay, then this is a pillow cover. I think. Can't find an opening. There it is. There's the zipper. So it's shaped like this. So it'd be good for Halloween. It's very soft too. I would say that. It's very, very soft. Then we have this. Warning to avoid danger. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what this is. Oh! Let me find the end here. Let's see what we find. There it is. Let's see what we find here. Oh, it's got a hairband. And then it's got a hair, like, clip thing on it. So I assume it's like this. You know, how you do for the fancy stuff. So, and I believe you can probably use this if you want it more secure, but that alligator clip is pretty secure. Yeah. So there's that. Then this is dog training stuff. It says here potty, and then here it says no, not here. So where you don't want them to potty, you put that. Where you want them to go, there. Okay. Then we have black hair shampoo. Perfect coverage for men and women. Easy to use, ammonia-free, long-lasting herbal care. And this is what it looks like. So I believe it's just a hair dye. Who knows? I'll have to look at it closer. And I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Let's see if I can find the end. Okay. What are you? What are you? You are a fanny pack with an H on it. I don't know if that stands for a brand. I don't know. It's a nice fanny pack. It's a nice fanny pack. But I have a feeling that it's customized, which means it'll be a very hard sell. But that's okay, because somebody's bound to have it. Okay, this is a power adapter, which probably can't be sold because the box is torn in half. So let's just see what it is. And I still don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. So I will see later. I'll investigate further later, but... And here is another pillowcase. And it's blue. Is that blue or black? I think it's like midnight blue. That's what I think. So, now we're getting into some different kind of stuff. What is this? It says something custom, so it's probably... Let's see if I can get it open. You know how they do these things. There, got it. There, I got it. Now we're going to see what it is. Okay, and it comes out like this. You know, it's got this little first slit so you can get to it to Let's just see what it is. What does it say? Oh, it's two different ones. That's what it is. Oh, this is for like a classroom. Let's see, it says addition, multiplication. I'm sure it's got subtract and divide too. Yeah, it's got subtract and divide too, so that's what that is. They're little stickers for the room. And this, yeah. So that's that for a classroom. And so that's that. I'll just stick it in there so we don't lose it. Some real good losing stuff. Oh, let's get this stuff right here. This is Teen Reapers Courage Edition. It's 100 flashcards, instruction booklet. And it's a game for 2 to 6 players. That's what it is. And this is the back of it. I have no idea what it is. It's a game. I do know that it's a game. All this seems to be is shredded paper. This, you are a special customer. Have a nice day. Thank you. I'm special. Did you hear that? I am special. I look like Rosanna Dana right now. What the heck? I am a special customer. What do I get for being a special customer? A bunch of silicone babies. What are they? What are they? What is it? Oh! I believe it's just something you put over a baby cup. And there's 3 of them. And then here's the white one. Okay. Then we have this little box. And it's this set. This is a set, do not separate. Oh! And these are, there's a reindeer, a snowflake, and a Christmas tree. And they got little suction cups so you can hang them in your window. Interesting. Okay, we'll put that in with the Christmas stuff. It's a set of 3. So, there's that. That is the Christmas stuff. And then we have, let's see what this little box is. Let's see. I have no idea. I'm going to be honest with you on this one. I have no idea. So I'll take one out and we'll look at it. Maybe you can tell me what it is. These are raised. I don't know, it's just like a little, for a dinner party, put your little snacks on there or whatever. I don't know. I have no idea. Let's see if it says on this box, because sometimes they do. But they did come in a box. Hand cup. But it says a hand cup. I don't know. That's what I would use them for. So anyway, there's that. Then we have Benlissa gel polish. It looks like this. I think it's black, but I'm not sure. And then we have these. These are a bunch of little football hanger-upper things. And it does come with jute. So that's that. Was it worth $18? Probably. I would say. I would say. So anyway, that's today's video. Come on back. Like, subscribe. Do the YouTube stuff.